My name is Shelby, and my project is Spark the Future, Empowering Tomorrow's Leaders Today. Spark the Future targets students ages 9 to 14, which is a really interesting age range because this is when a student's sense of self-identity really starts to take root. And so by providing mentorship and affirmation, this allows them to have the confidence to pursue their passions and discover what makes them unique and how they can use that to make a difference. I had an opportunity to volunteer with Coalition for Kids through a student organization at school, and immediately I was just amazed by how intentionally they pour into the students there. These students absolutely light up when someone is interested in what they care about, when they're affirming their passions and what they love to do, and that's what I want to do through this project. These leadership workshops allow students to identify what makes them unique, and in a world that is so focused on comparison, they're able to really take these traits and find confidence in that, and they're able to see how special they are and how they can use that to make a difference wherever they go.